average. Aplicación en español disponible. Paid for by the Pennsylvania Health Insurance Exchange Authority with taxpayer dollars.
And now the super genius, Mark Madden.
Hey, Mark.
The player of the year, I have a feeling TJ Watt will win it. I think they'll give Parsons defensive rookie of the year. TJ Watt will get defensive player of the year just because of all those sacks he's had. But Parsons by far has had more impact than he.
Told to tank by ownership. That was a mistake by Florence. It's a sensational story.
The Steelers are 7-7-1. The Dolphins won last night, so the Steelers slipped further away from a playoff spot. Joining us now.
I love the World Juniors, but I mean, I guess I didn't know the rules in the World Juniors as far as how this is going to be treated. But I mean,
the Czechs had one positive test.
Carolyn Osorio as she re-examines the 20-year investigation of the brutal slayings of 49 young women, uncovering never-before-heard audio and a long-buried secret.
Imagine you're this young girl and you're on the street. A guy come up, you jump in. You
that doesn't seem to matter. That's just a tough, mentally grinding football game, and they won that. The other thing, too, look at the last two playoff appearances by the Steelers. Both times, Jacksonville at home, Cleveland at home, they were
It's home show season, and that's a good thing. You have a house to sell, you don't want to list it. I'm Ryan Shaw. We've bought 300 houses. Toledo, Eric, you're with Double M.
Hey, Super G, thanks for having me on again. Hey, I think you hit the nail on the head in that the Rooney Rule leads to tokenism. And let's not forget that the beloved Steelers, who are supposed to...
I think what you see is a lot of different factors at play. Baltimore was ravaged by injuries. Cleveland, the quarterback, couldn't get it figured out. He got banged up. Pittsburgh, Roethlisberger got old.
Rejuvenated your home's award-winning signature spa with a $300 daily spa credit and a $20 daily spa boutique credit. Enjoy a well-deserved pampering with a full service.
practically a lock to make the playoffs. And that might be overstating it a little bit, but a prohibitive favorite to make the playoffs. You would have taken that.
Don't let stress wear you down. End the year for the...
He got the job, however temporarily. Probably get it next year, too. On the cheap, just like Clem did. There's a report that Clem is getting...
I don't know, it's a meme song, but I also, genuinely enjoy it a lot. Oh, we could also listen to,
It finds them for you. Its powerful technology identifies people with the right experience and actively invites them to apply to your job. You get qualified candidates fast.
Circle and he passes back across for Jackson. Touchdown in midair by Johnny with the glove. Flag off. 5-12 to play. 3-3 to score. Pens in the catch on the Pittsburgh Penguins.
To do some stuff, maybe having conversations on the sideline to look to remind guys what they need to be doing out there. But they just look like from the first possession on, just we're not in the same league as the Chiefs. And that's a tough place to be when you have a change.
We're all about keeping the alive. Keeping the alive. Keeping the alive. What's that mean? It means we sell used auto parts that you pull yourself, that you pick yourself, because you know how to pick.
And defensive lines. This year, Clemson's offensive line, not very good. Clemson, they're playing in the Cheez-It Bowl instead of the college football playoff.
You have no idea what you're fucking doing.
Lines.
Thank you.
Takes the stress out of finding a recommending doctor and getting approved. Start with a low-stress visit to veryheal.com and get your most pressing questions answered.
Late at night, that's one too.
Utilizes it the right way, he's an elite player, and he's playing elite hockey for us right now.
Not only the back end of the team, also building that gap with the teams behind you. How important is it to have that now, as tight as you know this division is, because there's so much left to play?
Well, it's critical.
I wish you was a bulletin in order that is new. I wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I say.
You're a terrific wide receivers. You got to go up and help your quarterback. Give him some help.
Juju Smith-Schuster had one catch for 7 yards in that first half. Then in the gun from his 30-yard line, Najee stands to his right.